Hi everyone. In my agency, we've been trying out some simple tweaks on our landing pages. And guess what? They are working wonders. These are fresh, easy to implement ideas that are making landing pages perform better. I'm talking about real changes that are bringing in more clicks, more leads, and more sales. If you want your landing pages to do more for your business, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing these tactics with you, and I can't wait to see how they will help you succeed.
First, let's shine a light on announcement bars. Those bars at the top of your site aren't just for show. Use them to shout about your successes or share a hot deal. Something like an example here where they're serving a Christmas special offer. You can actually use a site like Elfsight to actually create these announcement bars. There's tons of different ways you can use different templates and also then customize it to your website's branding. You can also use a site like ConvertFlow as well. ConvertFlow.com allows you to create an announcement bar which you can embed on your website. Next is the kicker text. It's a small line before your main headline. Make it punchy to draw in your reader. Think of it as the headline before the headline that can make someone stop and think, well, I want to know more. Here are some examples from typeshare.co. They're using kicker text on different types of headings. And let me show you an example which I really like from stock. They are using kicker text across different sections. The one section here is why stock, which kind of explains what this section is. And then the other one is explore the stock platform. So kicker text is usually like a smaller text with an uppercase, which is written before the headline. Now let's talk numbers. Show how many customers have bought your product or signed up for your service. It's a nudge for new visitors saying, all these people can't be wrong. Make those numbers big, bold, and impossible to ignore. Let's look at some examples. This one example is from typeshare.co, where they put trusted by 50,000 writers right up in the hero section next to the CTA. Next example is from Basecamp. Basecamp has this huge section devoted to social proof, and it talks about over 75,000 organizations have joined across 166 countries. They in fact have a custom design graphic which shows App Store reviews, which is around 21,000, and Google Play reviews, which is about 14,000 or 13,000. So these are, again, numbers which they are boasting. Then let's look at Unbounce. Unbounce actually has a heading which says the #1 platform for 15,000 brands. So obviously it's kind of indicating 15,000 brands are using Unbounce. On to the CTA or the call to action button. For those on phones, you want this button with an easy thumb reach. Why? Because if it's easy to click, you're upping the chances of getting that click. Simple but super effective. Have a look at 99landingpages.com. On the product page, there's a buy now button which stays and sticks to the footer. Then we have the mighty Apple. On the hero section, they have the buy button which sticks, but the moment you scroll, it then sticks other elements onto the footer. So for example, here they have added a button here more on display and design and display, and if you click on it, it opens up a pop-up. Then on our agency website, what we've done is we put a contact us button in the nav. So on the mobile version, for example, if you click the nav, it shows up right at the bottom. And here's a simple, effective tactic. Highlight the benefits. Tell people straight up why your product or service is their best bet. And if you offer a guarantee, flaunt it right beside your call to action. It's reassurance that they're making the right choice by choosing you. Let's look at some examples. On this page, Lemon Squeezy has a testimonial next to their call to action. Or Full and Rich, they've got 3 major benefits. Try with 50 leads for free, no credit card required, GDPR and CCPA compliant as their top features next to the call to action. On Creatify, they simply have no credit card required. So you can mix and match different messages and different benefits or features next to your call to action.
And there you have it, straightforward tweaks that can make a big impact on your landing pages. But before you go, don't miss out on a tool that could be a game changer for your website. Check out my free CRO homepage audit checklist. It's packed with 15 actionable steps, complete with videos, and 25 real-world examples to steer you through enhancing your homepage effectively. It's like having a navigation system for your website success. So make sure to grab it for free and start improving your website with pinpoint accuracy. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, a better landing page is just a few steps away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this video useful. Until next time, keep testing, keep improving, and keep growing.